So we're going to do a long overdue update video. I've been super busy the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and have not been able to get a video made. Actually, I've hardly taken any video out here. I've done a lot of work. So we've got new piles of dirt. The entire backyard is rough graded. The pad still needs to come up about 2 feet. Finished putting a lift in it last night and rolling it in. Front yard has been filled on. It's not full, but it is had about a foot and a half of dirt added in the front. And now there's my brother with the water trailer. The driveway is entirely roughed in and built out and ramped down, really gradual to the back. About 3 weeks ago, we got a call, hey, we got some dirt, bring it out sometime next week. Sometime next week turned into Friday, so all night, or every night that week, I was out here working till 8:30, moving the dirt that I had hauled from the dealership and just getting it out of the way. They brought us 145 loads that Friday. I worked all weekend to move all of that dirt. I mean, it went all the way out to that fence back there where he's turning around right now. Worked all weekend to move those 145 piles, built up a lot of this non-structural area, built out a lot of the driveway, built out a lot of the front yard with that material, just finding any place to put it that didn't need processed. And then the following Monday, they brought us another 96 loads of dirt, and that's what this is. I had 75 dump trailer loads, which is now hiding up there somewhere. So lots of dirt left to move, but I should have everything I need. I'm going to show some drone footage of what that all looked like, what I have of it, and what it looks like now. But that is the long overdue update on the house pad. We've brought up and it doesn't look like it now because I've filled everything. This was, I mean, that stake right there was, grade was about 2.5 feet high from the native ground right there. So, I mean, this blue ribbon here was about 3 foot off the ground originally, 3.5. So, the pad grade has come up, but it doesn't look like it. It still looks like it's down in a hole. But over here on this side where it needs to slope off to the property line, you can see how high the pad's come up without compared to the native. And that'll just be, I mean, yeah, the grade's coming up to that blue ribbon. So a lot left to put in, but all the dirt's here now. We're in the home stretch. It's going to look real nice when it's done, so hopefully a couple more weekends of this and we'll have something we can start building a house on. And here is the property as it sits at the time of recording this video. You can see all of the dump truck piles in the back, and where the skid steer and tractors parked in this video is the backyard sloping down to the native where the piles are. You can see the house pad and the driveway off to the side, and my mountain of dirt that is currently in the front yard that will be used to fill the remainder of the front yard and the left side of the driveway.